Welcome to PC Mac. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and install Sonar on our Open Media Vault using command line. For this practical, I'm going to use Raspberry Pi 4 4GB version, and we have already installed Plex and transmission on our Pi. So now we are going to install Sonar that will help us to look for new episodes and we can download them through transmission. So let's do it. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to find the IP address of our Open Media Vault. If you don't know how to set it on static IP, I'll leave the link in the description. You can check out that video and set your Open Media Vault on static IP address. So let's just go ahead and do that. First of all, the wireless network watcher, it will scan the network and you can see we are on 49. Let's just go ahead and close it and open the 49 IP address. So I'm logged in here. Now let's just go ahead and open Portainer and check how many containers are running on our Pi. So from here you can see the transmission is here and same thing and Plex. I have also installed Couch Potato. You will see the video on the channel soon. So let's just go ahead and add another container with the help of command line. So for that, what we need to do, we need to open the PowerShell to connect to our Pi using SSH. Let's clear the screen. Now we are on the default prompt. As you can see from here, the first thing that we need to do is we need to find out the ID of the user that we want to run our Sonar on. So how we can do that, it's ID and the username, that is PC Mac. So let's just hit enter. We can find the UID and GID right here. Now let's just go ahead and open the website, and here is the article. You can follow it from here. I'm using the Linux server image that you can look from here as well if you want to check out their website. So we need to use the CLI. Let's go ahead and copy it from here and open the notepad. So we are here and the name is Sonar, and we already found out our PID and GUID. So that's done. Now for the time zone, let's go to the Open Media Vault again, date and time, and copy the time zone from here and paste it here. So the port that is used by Sonar is 8989, and now we need to set the path for config, TV and downloads. So config is important and other part are optional, so we will set them. How we can do that? First of all, let's go back here and go to shared folders, and you can see the absolute path. If you don't know how to find out the absolute path, just go ahead and click here on the arrow. Whenever you hover on this bar and see the arrow, click on it, go to columns, and then absolute path is right here. So how you can copy it? Click on it or just right click on the blank area, inspect item, then choose this arrow from here and then click on this, and you will find the SRV, this one. Just double click on it and it will select the whole thing. Copy it and go back to the notepad, paste it here. Now let's see what inside our Samba server. So we have containers and media. So how we can go ahead and do it is, first of all, let's just copy this one and paste right here. Now the folder name is containers where C is capital. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now this command will create a folder inside the containers folder with the name of Sonar, and under Sonar we have all the configuration file for Sonar. Now what we need to do, we need to go inside the media folder from this command to set our TV series. So let's paste it here and then you can see TV series. So let's check from here. Sorry, media, under that we have TV series. So It's good. Now the download section. So we already have a downloads folder that is capital D. So let's just select this whole path again, paste it here, and then forward slash downloads. Now we have two folders under downloads. One is complete and other one is incomplete. So let's put them under complete. Now this whole thing is complete. We can copy this CLI from here and then go back to our PowerShell and then just right click to paste everything here and hit enter. Now it will start downloading the image, as you can see, pulling from Linux server Sonar, and it will download in a moment, and then the Sonar will be available on port 8989. So let's just go back to Portainer to check whether we have the Sonar right here or not. So it's completing the download. It's a big image. It might take a moment. So it's installed. Let's just go back to PowerShell and refresh the screen, the container list, and it's working and available on port 8989. So let's just go ahead and do that. So you can see we are logged into our Sonar, and it says importing existing series and add new series. So we don't have the series right now, so let's or we can just click on it and start import. Now we have selected some of the folders. One is under TV series, and we can select all these series or just press OK, and it will import all the series that are on Pi right now. So you can see on the bottom it says processing folder, so it will download all these series right now. Now all TV series are imported successfully and we can add from here. So let's look for Gotham, and it's right here. So select this one and all episodes. You can select the quality from here, which quality you want. So let's just select add Gotham, and before doing anything we just switch to settings, and here we can see all the settings: media management, profile, quality, and indexes. So indexes are the important one. Right now we don't have any indexes, so we will add some indexer for torrent. So this one is free. Save. Let's add some more free ones. So this one required APK key, so this one is not. So we have only one free one, this one rarebag. So let's just check whether we have the series available for us or not. So let's select on. So it says no download client is available. So we need to connect our Sonar to our transmission. How we can go ahead and do that? Again, we need to go into settings and then download clients, and from here click here and then look for the download client that we have, and we already installed transmission. The port is already there. Let's just name it as transmission, and we have the username and password as well. Let's test the connection. We need to use the IP address, so it's correct, and let's save. Now you can see the error is gone under systems as well. No issue with your configuration. Let's go back to series, and here we added Gotham. So let's click on it, and you can see that we have all the seasons right here. Let's click here and then check. So we can click here on activities now and check that everything is started downloading in Blu-ray. You can see the quality. If we want to change the quality, then again we need to go into settings and then click on quality, and we can select the quality from here, which quality we require. So now it's added 78 files, you can see. And I have also added one more episode or series, you can say. So everything is downloading right now. If you want, you can remove the selected from here. So this one is the third season. So it might take some time depending on the speed and the indexer. You can change, you can see that history it's trying to download. So the indexer RARback, it's able to download it from here. And you can see the queue from here, and you can see all the episodes right here. Once the episode downloaded successfully, it will be available here that you can watch. Right now you can see 0 out of 12, so nothing is downloaded right now, but it should once the indexer is able to capture the information from the internet. Now in the next video we are going to install Radar, and after that I'll show you how you can add more free indexes to your Sonar and Radar as well, so we can download the TV series and movies directly on our Raspberry Pi with the help of these applications. So that's it for today. If you have any question, you can write them down in the comment section. I'll try to help you. And if you like my work, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification, share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.